Hello, and welcome to part 5 of the 8-part video series on how to create a mushroom house. Today, we will build a pathway to the door and an extra mushroom. Let's get started. To start off, create an empty object and use a brown color to draw the base of the plank. Add darker lines to draw the seams and cavities, and lighter areas to create edge wear. Let's add some thickness by cloning the current voxels by selecting them. Hold your pen on the select button to access the selection menu. Here we choose Select All. And as you can see, the object has a white overlay. This means all the voxels are selected. We can use the Clone and Select option to clone our current selection by using the gizmo. Rotating the selection adds more randomness. We can deselect by going back to the Select menu and tap the Deselect All button. We can continue painting the wooden board. Next, let's place the wooden boards starting from the door to the bottom. There might be instances where you have to adjust the terrain to make the wooden boards fit better. Once we are happy with the placement of the wooden boards, we can blend them better by painting them the same green colors as the terrain. An easy way to do this is by copying the colors from the terrain to the wooden boards. Go to the terrain object and select the colors we want to copy. Hit the C button to copy the selection. Then go back to the wooden board and paste it in the second color tab by hitting the V button. Now we can repaint the wooden boards by adding some moss. Take your time to paint and don't forget to detach objects to make them unique. We can place the small mushroom we made before in front of the door or a place you prefer. We have more control by changing the pivot point. Open the scene list, select our small mushroom and open the properties. Use the minus or plus buttons to lower or raise the pivot point. This creates a nicer way for us to place objects in general. Use the minus button to set it right under the stem of the mushroom. The grid allows the pivot to change on more specific corners of the bounding box of the object. But in our case, this is not necessary. Alright, before continuing adding and painting voxels, let's tidy up a bit. Open the scene list of objects and select all small mushrooms to group them together. Hit the Group button in the top right corner to place them together. Give your group a name, for instance, GRP as in group dash mushrooms. Add the wooden boards as a group and the windows and door as a separate group. Once we are done making groups, we are going to create a larger mushroom. Go into the mushroom group in the scene list and clone one mushroom to detach it, to make it unique. Solo the mushroom and select the mushroom cap only, using the box stretch mode. Go into the object properties and tap on the selection menu. Here we can extract or duplicate the current selection. In our case, we will extract it to split it from the stem. We will scale the cap twice its current size and voxelize it. Voxelize is available in the object properties. It takes a few moments to load and voila! This will use the object size and adds the amount of relative voxels to it. Next, we can start adding and painting voxels. Because the object is geometrically symmetrical, we can enable the X and Y axis. Here I will speed up a bit and encourage you to create your own. Later, we can add color to the stem and bottom of the cap. Just like the small mushroom, we will change the pivot point of the stem to the bottom. Place our new mushrooms around the mushroom house. That's it for this video. Please take some time to place the mushrooms or add more variation if you want to. In the next video, we'll create the tree trunk and bushes around the mushroom house. See ya!